Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to share some awesome information with you. A lot of people aren't aware of this, so I do this pretty much with anything that I like. So if I like a product, I automatically sign up as an affiliate. And let me show you how to do that. So with any website, this is a supplement company that one of our people have recommended. So when you scroll down to the very bottom, I'm trying to not make you dizzy here, and you look down here at all the little links, you will see become an affiliate. Okay, click that link, and then you just follow the instructions here and become an affiliate. And then once you're an affiliate, they'll give you an affiliate link. And so you'll be able to use that link, and your customer is cookied to that link for a certain amount of time. So even if they go back to perfectsupplements.com, it's automatically going to cookie them to you, which means you'll get the commission for the sale. And you set all your information up, your payment information up, and all that stuff. So, Mr. Tony had also recommended these teas for a detox. And if you notice, when you scroll down, it'll say affiliate registration. And then there's your affiliate login. So on your affiliate registration, you go ahead and you fill out all your information and you save it and you become an affiliate, and you'll get your affiliate links as well. So even if you're just advertising for one product, if you're doing a keto detox, let's say, and you have customers that are buying, the products to do the detox, you would want to send them information that would lead back to you, right? So that way you can monetize on their purchases. And let me show you one more cool thing. So everybody shops on Amazon, right? Everything's on Amazon. People sell on Amazon. Well, when you scroll down to the very bottom, and you can really do this with any site. If you have any products that you like, that you recommend, or what have you, most people have become an affiliate. So when you click become an affiliate, you'll fill out all your information again. This is the Amazon Associate site. And I'm just going to click right over here to show you my back office. So I just want to show you a little something. I haven't really done anything, but let's just say I want to recommend almond flour. So I'm just going to put in almond flour. And then here's, all the different almond flours that, that they have. So you can come over here, get link. Like if you want to, put it on your blog or your website, you can do it here. Or you just click the shorten link and you get this. Copy it and paste it. And then it's going to go to that person when they click on it. And you see my name up here, Jenny Coleman. So when that person buys this almond flour, I'm going to get paid for that. So it's pretty cool. Anytime that you're recommending a product, and I'm really doing this, for you guys, because we're in this business and we recommend products all the time, stuff that works for us, stuff that we like. So why not make extra money while you're recommending products? Chances are that when you send somebody a link, it's already linked to someone. So why not have it linked to you? And you can do it really, like I said, on any website. Let's just go to, Kohl's.com. I'm just going to see what they have. Kohl's.com. Spelled it wrong. And let's scroll on down to the bottom. Looky here, affiliate program. Just about any business has an affiliate program. Let's see. So here we are, and it, it tells you the benefits, commissions, blah, blah, blah. Join now. Guys, it's not rocket science. How awesome is this? And a lot of people don't know. You have no clue, no idea whatsoever. But a majority of the companies out there have these affiliate links, affiliates. Let's go to Target. Who doesn't love shopping at Target? Let's see what Target has. Let's go to more. Let's see. They have changed their website. Look at this. Affiliates. Target affiliates. Earn up to 8% when people buy. No brainer. Awesome. Look, if you found some value in this, throw me a big firework display of love. I mean, just give me something. But how awesome is that? How awesome is that? Basically, any website you go to, there's an affiliate link. Just wanted to throw that out there, do this little quick tutorial for you, and I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll talk to you soon.